Hi everyone, we're going to build more Lego. Now I have 3 small boxes to build. They're all here. Obviously I'll be building them in separate films, okay? We have the small Lego City one. We have the small starter set for the volcano set. And the small starter set for the space set, okay? These 2 lead to bigger ones, okay? We're going to start with the little baby one this time. It's called the water scooter does not float. Oh, no, it's not. It doesn't float in water. I think it means that. That's what it's called. Oh, God. But yeah, you get 2 figures with it. You get a tire raft and a water scooter, which doesn't float in water, guys. 2 bags and a box of instructions. So we'll put my little box back there. There's only 1 book of instructions today, so it's not too bad. There goes a little one. Always be careful with the bags. They can be choking hazards. So we have some people to build up first, I think. Let's get all the people bits. You can kind of tell which bits are the people bits and which bits are going to be the water scooter and things. I'm hoping anyway. So right, let's put the orange glasses on the policeman. Right there. Should I put a life jacket on him first? Yes. And that's wrong anyway. I should have the one with the moustache. Yes, he doesn't have a life jacket on because he's trying to escape. Put his hat on. Covers his eyes, his hat does. There we go. Put that way on, it doesn't cover his eyes. And then he has white trousers on. If you put the legs on the right way around, it helps. So there we go. We have our bad guy. So we're going to stand him on top of the box. Sounds like I said top of the pops then. Sorry. Simple things, Mr. Producer. Then the policeman's been very clever. He's got a life jacket on. And cool orange glasses, which I will show you when I put his hat on. I presume it's to stop the water from going in his eyes when he's on his water scooter. How's that look? It looks pretty funky, doesn't it? And on the back, look, he's got a walkie-talkie. They really do think of everything, these Lego. Oops, bad guy fell. There we go. So now it's going to tell me to build up the 2 Lego figures. As you can see. It says to give him handcuffs, but we'll leave the handcuffs for a minute. Oh, he's got to go in here with the oar. It's pretty cool oar though. So we shall put the oar in there. Oar in there, which one? Sorry, couldn't resist that. There we go. Pull the oar down a bit. Then it'll fit in the other hand as well, which always helps when he's holding it with both hands. You can tell I've been doing my colouring. Look, I'm covered in red felt tip. One. Still put it in too far up. There we go, that's better. The oar's not playing right. And his hat's fell off now as well. I'm going to put it in one hand, the oar, because it's not going in. Won't go in the other one for some reason. His hat's in his eyes again. There we go. So now he's got to go in the tyre because that is his flotation device, getting away from the police. How's that for a really bad idea? So he can sit there now. We're now going to build the water scooter. So we need that piece first. And that funny looking piece goes on the end. Look how good these little boxes are, aren't they? Just for some quick Lego. Not as if I've not got enough like, but just for some quick Lego. What can I say? I'm a girl who likes her Lego. Can't help it. Okay, piece? Yep, that piece. So in that piece goes this piece, like so. And then it wants a little black piece on the top. Oh, it moved. It's meant to go like that. Ah, it moves. Didn't know that. Okay. And that piece goes in there, like so. Long blue piece. Then we have this bit to go on. So that's the base of the water scooter. Oh, that must be the thingy motor, would you say? It's going to have that pipe on it with the blue light on the back. I can see it now. One of these. And a long white piece. Next page. Another one of them. Come on, slot in. Thank you. That, and then a yellow one in. Which way round? That way round? Yep, that way round. Always make sure your stick's pointed in the right direction, because otherwise you could get into a lot of trouble. White bits go in there. Straighten them up, like so. Is it those ones or those ones? Those ones. So that goes on there. And there should be another one. There it is. Ooh. When trying to put a piece on, always make sure you're not going to knock other pieces off. Like I have done. I knew I was going to. I think I was being too heavy-handed with the Lego. Definitely. There we go. I like the clicking noise. It means I can't make it come off anymore. Okay. Piece goes on there. Then another two piece. Or toupee. Two little headlights. Oh, fiddly little thing. Pretty woman. Slippery little suckers. And I've just dropped that. Okay, so this bit got to go over that bit. That must be what it drives with. That bit on the white bit. Okay. It's looking a bit odd. And that. I presume it goes the other way around. Right now. How's it looking, Mr. Producer? Is it looking like it should? Ah, I didn't see this bit. It's got the sticker on already, look. Bit on there. Now we want this bit on. There. Is that right? Nope. They seem to be very fiddly tonight, the Lego does. And there's no difference in size. It's got a jet ski handle, look. That's pretty cool. Okay, I want the pipe with this bit. Where's it go? On there. So, and that goes on the back. So then you can move it, look. Yeah. And now, the policeman's ready to go and find the bad guy. Handle needs to go up. I'm having trouble with these hands tonight. They just won't go where I want them to go. There we go. How's that? My policeman. There you go. He's chasing after the bad guy. Oh, that should really have some handcuffs with him though, shouldn't I? We'll put some handcuffs in there. Ready to capture the bad guy. I only have 3 little pieces left, look. 3 tiny pieces. That's pretty cool. Shows you all the other Lego City pieces. Oh, and that's the space set, look. So, my darlings, that is my lovely little water scooter thing that doesn't float. And the bad guy in the tyre, which I presume won't float either, but you never know. Thank you for joining me on my lovely Lego adventure tonight. Subscribe to me on YouTube at Adelesexyuk. Like the video for me, iPhones and iPads and everything else. And if you fancy following me, I am on Twitter and Instagram at Adelesexyuk as well. And I will talk to you all very, very soon. See you soon, guys. On to the next Lego adventure.
Stop, you bad guy. Stop.
No more, Mr. Producer.